Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 multi-cooker that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 1. Ever spend hours in the kitchen trying to juggle multiple pots, struggling to cook rice, stew, and yogurt at the same time? Cooking can get messy, time-consuming, and honestly, exhausting. What if there was one device that could do it all in a fraction of the time? Meet the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 Multicooker, a versatile kitchen companion that replaces multiple appliances and simplifies cooking.
9-in-1 functionality: pressure cook, slow cook, rice maker, steamer, sauté, yogurt maker, warmer, and even sterilizer.
Smart connectivity: access over 800 recipes through the Instant Pot app. Capacity: 6-quart stainless steel pot, perfect for families. Touch control: easy-to-use digital panel. Compatibility: works on electric stovetops. Powerful: 1000 watts for fast and efficient cooking.
Durable build: chrome-finished stainless steel, easy to clean.
Pros: saves time and counter space.
Multifunctionality reduces the need for multiple gadgets.
Great for beginners and experienced cooks alike. App integration with recipes makes cooking simple. Cons:
learning curve if you're new to pressure cooking. Slightly bulky, so storage could be an issue in small kitchens.
Busy families who want quick meals. People who love experimenting with recipes. Anyone looking to replace multiple kitchen appliances with one device.
At $99.99, it's an excellent investment for anyone who wants versatility, convenience, and high-quality meals without cluttering the kitchen.
Number 2.
Introducing the COSORI Twin Pressure Rice Cooker, a smart 6-cup rice maker with induction heating and 20 menu modes, designed to make perfect rice every time.
Twin pressure cooking ensures evenly cooked, fluffy rice every time. Induction heating (IH) technology provides precise temperature control for consistent results. 20 menu modes cook various types of rice, grains, porridge, soups, and even cakes. Voice guide, step-by-step instructions and alerts for easy cooking. Capacity: 6 cups uncooked rice, 12 cups cooked, ideal for families. Multi-cooker functions can also pressure cook, slow cook, and more. Easy cleaning, removable inner pot and hand-washable parts. Pros: consistently fluffy and well-cooked rice.
Versatile, not just for rice, but soups, porridge, and more.
User-friendly with voice guidance. Durable build and premium induction heating. Cons:
high price at $439.75, may be expensive for casual users.
Slightly bulky for small kitchens. Requires hand washing for best care.
Families or rice enthusiasts who want perfect rice every time. People looking for a versatile, high-end rice cooker and multi-cooker. Anyone who appreciates smart cooking features like voice guidance and induction heating. Priced at $439.75, this rice cooker is an investment for anyone who wants premium performance, versatile cooking, and consistently perfect results without guesswork.
Number 3.
Meet the COSORI Twin Pressure Rice Cooker CRP PHTR0609FS, a 6-cup premium rice cooker with induction heating and smart features for perfect rice every time. Twin pressure system ensures evenly cooked, fluffy rice with consistent texture.
Induction heating technology, precise heat control for superior cooking results.
Silent pressure system reduces noise during cooking for a quieter kitchen experience. Open cooking mode allows versatile cooking beyond rice, like soups and stews.
Dynamic display, intuitive interface with clear icons and easy navigation.
Eco inner pot, durable, non-stick, and energy efficient for healthier cooking.
Capacity: 6 cups uncooked rice, 12 cups cooked, ideal for families. Corded electric power source, reliable and efficient heating. Pros: premium induction heating ensures perfectly cooked rice every time. Quiet operation with silent pressure system. Multifunctional, rice, soups, stews, and more. Elegant design with dynamic display and energy-efficient inner pot. Cons:
expensive at $469.99, may be overkill for casual rice cooks.
Slightly bulky, needs counter space. Requires hand washing for best maintenance. Families or rice lovers seeking high-end performance. Anyone who wants versatile cooking beyond just rice. People who value quiet operation and smart features in a kitchen appliance. At $469.99, this COSORI rice cooker is a premium investment for consistent, perfect rice and versatile multi-cooking, combining convenience, durability, and smart technology. Number 4. Introducing the Instant Pot Pro 8-quart 10-in-1, a powerful multi-cooker that combines pressure cooking, slow cooking, sous vide, and more, all in one sleek black appliance. 10-in-1 functionality: pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice/grain cooker, steamer, sauté, sous vide, yogurt maker, sterilizer, and warmer. Large capacity, 8-quart stainless steel pot, perfect for families or meal prep. Programmable touch controls, easy-to-use digital interface for precise cooking. App integration, access over 800 recipes and step-by-step guidance via the Instant Pot app. Powerful and efficient, 1,400 watts for faster cooking. Durable and sleek, matte black finish, built to last and easy to clean. Multi-purpose, ideal for everything from soups and stews to yogurt and sous vide dishes. Pros. Versatile 10-in-1 appliance reduces the need for multiple kitchen gadgets. Large capacity is perfect for families and batch cooking. App with recipes makes meal prep easier. High wattage ensures fast, even cooking. Cons. Heavier at 15.83 pounds, takes more counter space. Slight learning curve if you're new to multi-cookers. Price higher than basic Instant Pot models. Families or meal preppers who want one appliance for multiple cooking styles. Home cooks looking to experiment with sous vide, yogurt, and pressure cooking. Anyone who wants convenience, speed, and versatility in the kitchen. At $199.99, the Instant Pot Pro 8 Cutie offers excellent value for anyone seeking a premium, all-in-one multi-cooker with smart features and app integration. Number 5. Introducing the COSORI 6-quart 9-in-1 pressure cooker, a versatile and safe multi-cooker with a ceramic inner pot that makes cooking easy and convenient. 9-in-1 functions: pressure cook, slow cook, rice, sous vide, sauté, steam, yogurt, and more. 13-in-1 cooking presets, quick access to common recipes and cooking styles. Ceramic non-stick inner pot, healthy, easy to clean, and scratch resistant. Safety first, 12 built-in safety features plus a hassle-free steam release switch. Powerful heating, 1,100 watts for fast and even cooking. Touch controls, intuitive digital interface for precise cooking. Compact and stylish, 6-quart stainless steel body, perfect for small to medium kitchens. Bonus, comes with a cooking recipe book for inspiration. Pros. Affordable at just $80.93. Versatile 9-in-1 functions replace multiple kitchen appliances. Safe and beginner-friendly with multiple safety features. Ceramic pot is healthier and easy to maintain. Cons. Slightly smaller 6-quart capacity for large families. Some users may find digital controls less precise than premium models. Lacks app connectivity or smart features. Small to medium families who want a versatile, budget-friendly multi-cooker. Beginners looking for a safe and easy-to-use pressure cooker. Home cooks who prefer ceramic inner pots and hassle-free cleaning. At $80.93, the COSORI 6 Cutie pressure cooker delivers excellent value, combining safety, versatility, and easy cleaning at a very budget-friendly price.